In a world of heightened environmental concern, wastewater treatment facilities provide crucial protection to our ecosystem. In facilities such as these, wastewater is treated to remove harmful contaminants before being released back into the environment. Faced with uncompromising standards of environmental regulation, the treatment process must be carefully monitored and controlled. But this presents considerable challenges to manufacturers of wastewater sensors and operators of treatment plants. Equipment fouling is a major problem, where sensors become covered in biofilm and bacterial growth, reducing accuracy and response time. Sensors also need to be regularly calibrated, which is time-consuming and prone to human error. This often leads to inaccurate readings, causing over or under-treatment of the effluent. This can in turn lead to consent failures and wasting of energy. Now these challenges have been overcome by Strathkelvin Instruments Limited. With over 30 years' experience of using respirometry to monitor bacteria health, they are the world's leading supplier of precision sensor technology. Strathkelvin pride themselves on an intrinsic understanding of wastewater facilities to maintain themselves at the cutting edge of process optimization and cost reduction in wastewater treatment. Utilizing their extensive experience in consultancy, they are able to ensure that their work has no negative impact on compliance and actually has significantly improved compliance margins where they operate. Strathkelvin are now proud to unveil the Activated Sludge Plant Controller, or ASP-Con, a new cutting-edge instrument that has the potential to revolutionize the instrumentation market. The ASP-Con represents the future in wastewater sensor technology, ensuring optimal operation and cost efficiency for bacterial wastewater treatment facilities. Refined and perfected over 7 years of painstaking development and testing, it brings innovative new features that will transform the wastewater industry. Foremost among these features is the ASP-Con's extensive ability to measure 16 crucial wastewater parameters in one instrument. Shown here in its normal monitoring position, the ASP-Con measures dissolved oxygen, ammonia, pH, and temperature. The system then lowers the measuring chamber to the fill level to allow a sample to be ingested, while the lower sensors continue to monitor normally. The core then raises to cover the ingestion holes before the aerator and agitator combine to raise the dissolved oxygen level in the sample to allow for an effective respirometry run, including oxygen uptake rate, specific oxygen uptake rate, percentage for nitrification, critical carbonaceous dissolved oxygen, and critical nitrification dissolved oxygen. From here, 2 different actions can then be performed. Firstly, to carry out a mixed liquor suspended solids measurement, the sample is pushed up past the sensors by raising the core and sample exhausts through slots in the outer casing. Alternatively, the sample is allowed to settle into a heavy sludge layer and a clear liquid layer, which is then exhausted in the same manner. The sensors measure the turbidity of each part of the sample and also the settlement volume index, stirred settlement volume index, total suspended solids predicted, return activated sludge concentration, and the following are then calculated from the previous measurements through to mass ratio and toxicity. Each of these measuring parameters functions as a fully automated process, enabling consistently accurate measurements to be taken on time around the clock with frequencies dictated by the plant operators. The ASP-Con can be easily integrated to the existing wastewater plant control system and automatically adjusts the plant based on each measurement that has been taken, ensuring regulatory compliance. It's like having your best operator permanently on site 24/7. The ASP-Con sensors are kept at peak performance by the instrument's groundbreaking self-cleaning and self-calibrating functions. The self-cleaning mechanism keeps the sensors operating at the optimal level regardless of water conditions. And unlike other sensors that must be calibrated manually, the ASP-Con will automatically calibrate itself, ensuring a consistent and precise recalibration time after time. To find out how the ASP-Con can enhance your facility, why not give our team a call?